How to fix EA FC 25 Season Pass unavailable or not loading. I'm going to tell you how to fix the issue if your EA FC 25 Season Pass is unavailable or not loading. First, make sure your game is fully updated. Missing patches can cause access problems. If you're on PlayStation or Xbox, try restoring licenses or clearing the cache by powering off completely and unplugging for a minute. On PC, verify game files through the EA app or Steam. If it's still not loading, go to the in-game store and check if the season pass is showing up under live or ultimate team. Sometimes servers lag and just need a moment to sync. If you recently bought the pass and it's not showing, log out of your EA account and back in. This refreshes your entitlements. And don't forget, EA server can go down during peak hours or maintenance. So check their status page if the issue persists. Most times, it's a sync or update hiccup, not your fault.